So today I'm gonna be installing this ducktail on my friend's G37 right here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this shit too, because this one has the camera for the reverse, and this also has a little hole for it. So we're gonna do that shit. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Okay, so first we're gonna remove this thing. So just poke right here. Don't poke behind the plastic. Just like right here. I don't know if you can see that. Once it comes out like this, just wiggle it out. There you go. Don't go behind it or you're gonna break it. Just go right here. Okay, so this one, I'm not really sure how, but I took the other side like this. Oh fuck.
De abajo, güey.
Just go like this. And once it comes out like this much, pull this other one off. I have no idea how to take it out, so but it didn't break, so just do that. Okay, so make sure you disconnect the little camera for the reverse. Just put the screwdriver like this, poke it, and push it back. That's it. Okay, so when you're taking this out, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and then 2 clips. This one was all the screws and the clips were broken, so it made it easier for us. And when you're taking it out, be careful. Don't just pull it out because it has the reverse camera. So just push it through with like a screwdriver or something. Make sure you don't poke a hole in it. So just open it and just push it through the hole. And once it comes out, then there's gonna be 2 screws right here. These 2, just take them off, and then you just put it on your new, on the other one.
Spoiler.
Okay, so it took us a lot longer just because of the fucking camera right here. We didn't think about it. I told him it wasn't gonna take us 20 minutes, but it's already dark. So just, make sure you line up the camera. That way it's not pointing up or fucking sideways. That way it's pointing down how it's supposed to. Once it's ready, mark it up with tape. We mark the corners over here, and then we put another tape right here, one more right here, and the corner on this side also. So now we're gonna take it off. We also marked these, so right now we have it all lined up. So after this, we're just gonna take it off and glue it or tape it or whatever, like for reals this time. So we're gonna get it done after this, for like finally. So it's not gonna come off anymore. Okay, so this is ready to be installed. We put some tape in there to hold the camera on, and we still have the tape. Right now it's the next day because we couldn't do it last night, so we're gonna continue today. We got it all ready, so pretty much we're just gonna line it up with the tape. But we're gonna peel this tape just a little bit, so when we set it on there, we just pull it out, and we don't have to like go like this. Set it in there, and just grab the little tape that you peeled out, and just pull it out, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so we put the wing on there already. So right now it's all done. Just don't forget to reconnect the fucking camera. And put the shit we took off, just put it back. And that's pretty much it with this.